Point D lies on side BC of equilateral triangle ABC. Triangle ACD has perimeter 72 inches. Selena.
36.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
Oh my god.
And triangle ABD has perimeter 70 inches. If AB equals 30 inches, what is the length of segment AD, Ben?
26.
That is the correct answer.
All right, let us find out. Point D lies on side BC of an equilateral triangle ABC. Triangle ACD has perimeter of 72 inches and triangle ABD has a perimeter of 70 inches. If side AB is equal to 30 inches, then what is the length of the segment AD in inches? All right, an equilateral triangle is a triangle which has all its sides equal. So if this is an equilateral triangle, not drawn on scale, every single side is 30 inches, right? So this is 30, this is 30, and this is also 30, right? According to the question. But we have a point, that lies on the side BC as D. So let's assume we have a point here. Let me take this down. Assuming you have a point here, which is D. What you're asked to find is the segment AD. So let us connect A to D, something like this. But according to the question, we are not told that from B to D is equal to D to C. So we cannot conclude that yet. All we know is that the total length here is 30 inches. So since we don't know, we can declare this with X. But we know that the total is what? 30. So the moment you take away X from 30, you shall obtain the side length DC. So this is 30 minus X. Let's call this one H since it is unknown, and that's exactly what we are looking for. All right, so now let us form two equations here. The perimeter of triangle ACD is what? 72 inches. What is perimeter? The total length around a given figure, right? So let's add H plus 30 plus 30 minus X. This is going to give us 72 according to the question. And the perimeter of ABD is going to be what? 70. So we have H plus 30 again. H plus 30. Then plus X. This is going to give us what? 70 according to the question. So we have two equations that we can solve simultaneously. Okay, let us subtract. If you subtract, H minus H is 0, 30 minus 30 is 0. 30 minus, we don't have a number here, so this is 30. Then minus X is minus 2X equal to 72 minus 70 is 2. So let us solve for X here. You can make 2X the subject. 2X will be equal to what? 30 minus 2. 30 minus 2, which is 28. And if you divide both sides by 2, you have X equals what? 14 inches. We are looking for this H, which is segment AD. We can use this equation, right? We have seen that H plus 30 plus X is equal to 70, right? From this second equation. But X is already 14, so you have H plus 30 plus 14 equals 70. 30 plus 14, that will give us 44. So H plus 44 is equal to 70. Then finally, H is equal to 70 minus 44, which is going to give us 26. And we know that H is the segment AD. Therefore, AD is equal to 26 inches. Yes, exactly as what the contestant said.